Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are new, please like my video and comment on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed to NYC Abdullah USA, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing vlogs like this. It's a nice day, it's a chilly day, and it's Wednesday, of course, and the half of the week has been completed, and now we are waiting for the half of the week to be complete more, because Wednesday it's already started, and it's almost like 11:45 a.m. in the morning, and the snow is still there, and I'm having the tea right now, and it's very cold right now outside. So yeah, if you haven't followed me on Instagram profile also, NYC Abdullah, same, from the same name, but I don't know, I'm not sure that the name comes differently like Vlogify Abdullah official. So let's go and let's start the vlog. You can see the snow is still there, and there is too much wind outside, but there are many animals outside, like birds are roaming around in the sky. The sky looks very pretty and very good today. It's very cloudy weather. Maybe there's a still chance for this snow. Maybe this weekend, like Sunday, little bit, or Monday, because when I check the weather, it's going to be still snow this weekend. Maybe after this week, because last weekend there was snowing very heavily, not heavily I will say, but last night it snowed like very little, maybe like 8:30 p.m. or and it's like started like 11 p.m. for like heavy snow, but I don't know when this snow will going to be melted. And I'm having the tea right now, because sometimes I like tea or coffee. So let's have the tea in the cold weather to get warm some, and we'll have to go to do the workout. You can see it's 11:45, 11:46 a.m. and yeah, the weather looks very cold outside. You can see the smoke of this tea looks very pretty. So let's taste it. It's very hot, I will say. We have some watermelon at home. I'm planning to cut the watermelon at home today, but maybe in the evening, because in evening my moms will also come from the work, and me and my mom will have some watermelons. So let's see if I plan to go outside, to walk, or like to go for the workout. I will show you the snow too. It's very cold, by the way. It was 1 hour ago. I just had the one apple at 2 p.m. and right now it's 3:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Maybe I'm thinking to have some lunch right now, because I was just having the one apple in the afternoon at 2 p.m. and I was watching TV and sitting relaxing. There is nothing to do. It's already going to be sunset. You can see behind me. Please suggest me where should I travel next week, because I'm thinking to travel somewhere like Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas is the same state, but it's like 3.5, 4 hours by the plane, but it's very far from the car. Like it can be take 1 hour, 1 day, or 2 days by the car. We are not going to travel by the car, because we can only travel like Niagara Fall and Washington DC, we can say Pennsylvania. Next year, like January 2026, my Mayman community group, they always travel like Pennsylvania for the ski. It's very beautiful there. If I like to go on ski next year, I will definitely show you guys that how does the experience about the ski. I don't do the ski. I don't like to ski, but many people from the Memon community, they go to they do this ski, and they have the tube also, and they have everything on Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what's the name of it. If I am knowing the name, then I'll definitely put the name for the location also in the description below. And let's have some dinner. I mean, sorry, not dinner, lunch. And I'll see you guys like in few hours when I was going to have the workout. I'll see you guys soon.